Commander, good morning. We've successfully instituted the President's Emergency Lazarus Protocol. I'm Lieutenant Eva, the intel officer assigned to your command. And since you're the only commander left alive, I guess I'm pretty lucky to have a job. It appears that we have suffered a full-scale Soviet invasion. Nearly all our major cities are under siege, and our forces are in complete disarray. Please stand by, Commander. We have an incoming broadcast from General Carville at the Pentagon.
I hope you're rested and ready, Commander, because as of 0800 hours, you are in control of every satellite, base, tank, airplane, enlisted man, woman, and child in the eastern United States. You answer to the President, and you answer to me. Your ops officer and vital lifeline will be the Lieutenant. Your point man for this mission will be Special Agent Tanya.
General, I hope the commander is up to speed because we don't have time to waste.
I'm sure Tanya has every confidence in you, Commander.
Oh, you're sure? Well, it's not your life that's on the line out here.
She's the best there is, but you'll get along better with the Soviets. You'll get started immediately. First stop, New York. The lieutenant will give you the details.
Not long ago, the Soviets made an amphibious landing on Manhattan Island and are using their ground troops to systematically take over the city. Fortunately, we still have a hold on Fort Bradley, but our comlink has been severed. If you can get Agent Tanya into Bradley, she will re-establish the link. Good luck, Commander.
Establishing battlefield control. Stand by. The Soviet Navy is attacking the Statue of Liberty. We can't let them get away with that. Sir, is there anything you can do?
Incoming transmission.
Tanya here. Listen up. We got a couple commie dreadnoughts in the harbor, looking for a special sightseeing tour of the Hudson River. I say we give them a very special view of the bottom first.
Battle control online.
Show me the way. Locked and loaded. Anytime, boss. Locked and loaded.
Unit promoted.
I'm on.
Unit promoted.
On my way.
Primary objective achieved.
How about a target?
Ready!
You got an order? On my way. Moving out, boss.
Incoming transmission.
I offer a special invitation to citizens of the United States from the great Soviet Union. See your liberty, how she lies broken before you. In but a moment's time, your once powerful city of New York will follow in her footsteps. The choice is yours.
I'm on it.
You can continue to mourn your past or surrender and join us in the great Soviet Revolution.
Doesn't sound good, sir. We're going to have to double time it the rest of the way to reach Fort Bradley in time.
Moving out, boss.
Unit lost.
Sir! Yes, sir! Orders? On the move!
Show me the way. Take it, baby! On my way.
How about some action?
Anytime, boss. Moving out, boss. Shake it, baby! Shake it, baby! How about a target? On my
Unit
way.
firepower
Shake
upgraded.
it, baby! I'm there. I'm there.
Ready! How about some action? Double time! Double time!
You got an order? Moving out, boss. Moving out, boss.
Structure garrisoned.
Shake it, baby! On my way. I'm on it.
Structure abandoned.
Sir! Yes, sir! Moving out!
Show me the way. Shake it, baby! Show me the way. I'm there.
Congratulations. We've re-established contact with Fort Bradley. They're turning over control of the base and its troops to you.
How about a
Incoming
target?
transmission.
Good work, Commander. We're back in contact with the fort. Tanya has sent over intel on the location of an important Soviet supply base in the area. General Carville would like you to dispose of it ASAP. Oh, keep up the good work, sir.
Construction complete. New construction options. Building. Unit ready. Sir, this is an engineer. He can repair any Allied building. And once inside an
Need a
enemy
repair?
building, turn it to our side. He is
Studying
much smarter than his
blueprints.
Soviet counterpart. Building. Training. Unit ready. Unable to comply. Building in progress. Building. Bridge repaired. Unit ready. Our base is under attack. Repairing. Insufficient funds.
Orders?
Show me the way. How about a target?
Ready! Moving out!
You got an order? Cha-ching!
Watch out for those petroleum barrels. They seem highly unstable. Perhaps we could use them to our
I'm there.
Unit ready.
Can do!
Unit promoted. Unit lost.
Yeah, baby!
Unit promoted.
Sir! Yes, sir!
Moving out, boss.
Unit ready.
I'm there.
Our base is under attack. Unit lost. Unit speed upgraded. Unit promoted.
I'm there.
Unit ready.
Yeah, baby!
Unit promoted.
Yeah, baby!
Ore miner under attack.
Yeah, baby! Locked and loaded.
Unit ready. Our base is under attack. Unit lost.
Moving out,
We're
boss.
pinned down!
How about a target?
Ready! Enemy sighted!
Unit lost.
Let's do it! Enemy sighted!
Insufficient funds.
Dig it in! Yeah. Let's do it! Let's do it!
Primary objective achieved. Mission accomplished.